Hiya, today we're going to make fried halloumi in pita bread with a salad and a cucumber yogurt and mint dip, and this is what you need. So you need pita breads. Oh, we've got the wholemeal one, we've got the halloumi, we've got lettuce, cucumber, red onion, we've got cherry tomatoes, raita dip and olive oil to fry it in. Okay, so we'll get these prepared and then we'll get back to you. Right, we've chopped up all the veg and got a pita bread out. We're going to put that under the grill in a minute. As well, we've just chopped up some halloumi in about maybe 3 or 4 mil slices. And we're going to fry this up. So we've just put it in the pan with some olive oil. I'm just going to brush it both sides with the olive oil. And then we'll fry it about 3 or 4 minutes either side till it goes golden. So I'll just turn that over. And then we'll get back to you. Okay? Right, we've brushed it either side. We're just going to fry it up now. Just for a couple of minutes either side till it goes golden. So we don't have it on too high because you don't want it splashing. Okay? So we'll do this for about 3 minutes and then we'll come back to you. Okay? Right, we've done it 2 or 3 minutes. We're just turning it over now to do on the other side. Can you see how it's going golden? Okay, we'll just do that. Do it for 2 or 3 minutes on the other side and then we'll get back to you. Okay? Now we're nearly cooked with this, so now we've just put a pita bread under the grill just for about 2 minutes. Okay. Right, we've done a pita bread. When you open it up, you've got to be careful of the steam because sometimes it can come out. And then just cut it up so you can get in it. And then open it so you've got the pouch in the middle. Then get it right on there, fill it up with your lettuce. I'll do it that way around maybe and then open that a bit more. And your cucumber. Then you're going to pop some onion in. Mix it all in. And your tomatoes. And we've chopped up a halloumi as well. I'm going to pop that in. Mix it all in. Same again, you can put some more lettuce on top if you want. And a bit more tomato. Do that. And then just pop your dip. About maybe a teaspoon. Just over the top. Put it in. And then it's ready to serve. Okay, and that is pretty much it.